Alright, I've made it. I'm heading towards a river that's this way, but all this around here, there's some good little walking routes and stuff, as you can see in front of me. People come out now for a walk. Earlier today the sun was way too intense, literally cooking you as you walk. Well, for me anyway, with my complexion. But yeah, everyone's out now. Yeah, there's some great places to explore here, so yeah, I'll show you. Again, I'm terrible at pronouncing. I'm terrible at remembering names of areas. I am in is it Cornellà de Llobregat? Again, it'll be in the title. What way? Straight away I get distracted and want to detour off interesting trails. But will that be a dead end that way? Oh look, it looks like clouds, but those are mountains where I'm pointing on the horizon. Yeah, let's try and get to those at one point. I'm going to try up here, it's a dead end. This could be in, I don't know, Vietnam or Thailand. I'm referencing the trees here. But yeah, these areas, I actually used to come here a few months ago, well, at the end of 2020, November, December time. I come out here a lot for personal reasons. My child Hugo lives here. But yeah, I'd come and wander these areas quite a lot. Yeah, and always wanted to come back and film them. And you know, it makes a change coming at summertime now. Last time, yeah, I mean, the weather's still okay, but it was colder and didn't get this nice sunset. But yeah, I was going through some dark times, weren't we all, with this pandemic that's still happening. So I do a lot of walks here to clear my head. Yeah, but I've not been up this trail actually. I feel like I've come into the proper little farming areas, but awesome. I'm going to shut up now and you can listen. This way. Look at those tomatoes. Alright, looks like there's a walk there. Although, right, I can enter it. There's a cool patch of trees here, which you'll next see me in. It's quite a surreal place. Well, weird for me. I'm sure Catalans and Spanish are used to these trees. I don't know why, there's obviously growing something here, because they have this dedicated patch. I don't think it's coconuts, or maybe it's just a random patch of trees. But look at this, can you see the silhouette of the hills there? Plan to go up there. God, tomatoes everywhere. I'd love to taste one. There's one on the floor, but I'm sure that's a bit rotted now. I'm sure there's olive trees around, or that's probably further out of the city, proper farmland. This feels more like an allotment, you know, like residential. Right, I'm going to go in this patch of trees if I can. Just pause you.